Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to rip your CDs. I have 1,000 Suns, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to rip your CDs using Windows Media Player. So the first thing you are going to want to do is obviously insert your CD. For some computers, you might have to buy a separate disk drive, but mine already has a burner and a DVD drive and a CD drive built in, so you're gonna just want to put that in, and then you can go on with the computer part of the tutorial. You're gonna want to go to Windows Media Player. If you just search it up on the Windows bar. You are going to want to insert your CD if you haven't already. You're going to need this in order to rip the actual files from the CD. You will see all the songs on the CD. You're going to want to right click and then rip CD to library. It will take about a few minutes, so I'm going to speed up the process. You're going to want to open File Explorer, go to Music, and then you'll see the artists, and right there has a folder. And then click on the album, and then all your songs will be there. I hope this guide was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.